Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Hayden from hhwcustoms.com, and today we have a special unboxing to do here. This is a gift from Cartooned to promote their launch of the most recent line. You can see this box art is very nice. Nice semi graphics all around, including the bottom here. Very nice, as well as a couple signatures sitting right on top. So this is really cool, and I don't know what is in here at all. So we're gonna jump right into it because I'm very eager to see it because I got the package yesterday and I hadn't have time to film it. Oh, that's cool. This is like the same shape of the card that it comes on, but it has a whole list of the series, the poster. Going on a little bit. Let's get the kind of tray. Ooh, this is cool. So we got a nice display. I see 3 cards here. Let's lift this top off. And so we'll go down the list here. First we have the Nomad. Then we have the 69 Camaro. And then we have the Corvette. Very nice cars. Then go right on here. You have Cartooned Racing Motor Oil. And there's a sticker on top. CT Equip, Cartooned Equipped. So I went and got a screwdriver here, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up because I want to know what's inside because it's got a little bit of weight to it. Open it just like a nice paint can here. There we go. It is a t-shirt. Open this up here. Look at that. Cartoon t-shirt. Very nice. Even has a QR code on the edge here. I assume that goes to the website or their Instagram. Look at that, guys. Cartoon. Nothing on the back. In front. Very nice. Man, this is really nice. Even this part has graphics on it, guys. This is really cool. Even tied on the bottom there too. But there you have it, guys. This is the unboxing of the, oh, there you go. Actually, one little detail says right here. It's how we roll. Right there on the box. Just saw that. Even the license plate on this thing. I read that earlier. There's, you see it? This is influence. It's pretty cool. Definitely going to be keeping this box. Very nice one. But there you go, guys. That is the unboxing of the Cartooned influencer affiliate box. I don't know what you want to call it. But it was very nice of them to send me this. I'm glad they reached out to me. Very appreciative. I do have a couple of these cars that I've already taken apart, so I'm going to be doing the same with these. So you guys will be seeing some more 3D parts coming out with them as well. You guys can check them out at hhwcustoms.com. Definitely go check out your local stores for these. Like I said, this is really cool, but this is the poster that they handed out at SuperCon when I signed up for the affiliate program, except on a larger scale. And this is the smaller one, so this is pretty cool to kind of just keep with you or hang up somewhere else. It's very nice. It's the same exact size as well as the actual card itself that it comes on. You can see it on the back there. Same size and everything, so that's pretty cool. These are dropping at Target now from what I've seen. I've gotten myself a couple of things at Target already. So if you guys have a local Target, make sure you go check it out. I believe that is nationwide. They've already dropped. I know a lot of people in California are buying them, but you can definitely go check it out. It doesn't hurt to check. That's the end of the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys go follow Cartoon. They were very nice. It was very nice of them to send this out to me. I really do appreciate that. I didn't ask for anything, but I really do love this, and I'm going to be keeping all this stuff because it's really, really cool, especially this box art. I mean, look at that, guys. It's pretty cool. You have the Bel Air on that side, and you have the Blaze on that side, and just the artwork all the way around. Very, very nicely done. So thank you again to everyone at the Cartoon team for sending this to me. I really do appreciate that. I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I need to start posting more, but go get yourself some Cartoon, guys. See you guys later.